In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create soothing background music using Suno AI. If you're looking to add a touch of tranquility to your YouTube videos, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and transform your creative vision into reality. First things first, you'll need to log into Suno AI using your preferred browser. Open your browser, navigate to the Suno AI website, and input your login credentials. It's important to remember that you'll want to use an updated version of your browser for optimal performance, as this ensures you have access to all the latest features Suno AI has to offer. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by the sleek and user-friendly interface of Suno AI. From here, we'll start by creating a new project. Locate the New Project option and click on it to get started. Now, it's time to choose the genre for your background music. Since our aim is to create a subtle and calming piece, I recommend selecting a calm or neutral genre. This selection will provide the perfect foundation for creating music that's soothing and not overpowering, which is essential for background tracks. With your genre selected, you're ready to let the AI work its magic. Suno AI offers a remarkable feature that can generate instrumental loops and melodies suited to your chosen style. Simply instruct the AI to generate these elements and watch as a variety of creative options come to life. This process allows you to focus on the bigger picture while the AI takes care of crafting a harmonious blend of sounds. Now that you have your instrumental pieces, it's crucial to pay attention to the finer details to ensure the music fits seamlessly into your videos. Adjustments to volume levels and effects can make all the difference. Carefully tweak these aspects to ensure the composition remains subtle and non-intrusive. This fine-tuning involves balancing elements so that your viewers enjoy an enhanced experience without the music distracting from your primary content. With everything set just the way you like it, it's time to finalize and export your track. Locate the export option within Suno AI and select your desired file format. Once exported, your track is ready for the next step in the process. The final part of this journey is uploading your newly crafted background music to your YouTube videos. Simply access your YouTube account, navigate to the video